Hello children, good morning and welcome back. Now all of you take out English page number 80, lesson number 7, The Little Ball of Fur. Now all children are requested to put your fingers on your line. The last bell rang. Children came running and shouting out of the school gate. Sonu did not like running and shouting. He came walking gently and slowly. Now children, it is time for leaving. All children are coming outside from the class and they are making shouting and running. But Sonu didn't like running and shouting. So he came walking gently and slowly. Now come on page number 81. Meow. Sonu heard it and stopped. Meow. He heard it again and looked. At that time he heard the voice of cat. Meow. It was in the dustbin near the school gate, and it was in the dustbin near the school gate, as you can see in the picture also children. See, it was a little kitten. Kitten, do you know that young one of cat? Sonu picked it up and put it into his pocket. He put it into his pocket. It was so small. It was like a little ball of fur. It was like a little ball of fur. But I can't take it home, said Sonu to himself. Sonu told himself that he couldn't take it home. Because why? Do you know why he can't take it home? We have a pet dog and our dog doesn't like cats. Because he has a pet dog and that dog doesn't like cats. That's why he can't take it home. What shall I do? Now what he will do? Sonu walked home thinking. When he was going home, at that time he was thinking about the small kitten. He reached the corner of his street. He saw a green letter box. It was fixed at the gate of a house. Now when he was going to his house, at that time in the road, he saw a green letter box and it was fixed at the gate of a box. Now children, come on page number 82. It was Mrs. Shanti's house, and it was Mrs. Shanti's house. She was a kind old lady. You can see in the picture, look. This is Mrs. Shanti and it is a green color letter box. Now what he will do? See. She was a kind lady. Mrs. Shanti was a kind lady. Mrs. Shanti is a gentle lady, said Sonu to himself. Sonu told himself that she is a kind and gentle lady. She has no dog. She will like to have this little kitten. She has not any pet animal at her house. So Sonu think that she like this little kitten. So he took out of his pocket the little ball of fur. Now that's why he has taken out the little ball of fur, means kitten, from his pocket. He put it inside Mrs. Shanti's letter box, and then look, you can see that Sonu is standing behind the tree and looking. And first of all, he put that kitten in the letter box. Then he went and stood behind the big banyan tree near Mrs. Shanti's house. Do you understand, children? Why he was standing behind the banyan tree and watch carefully? I will tell you. See, A little later, Mrs. Shanti came out at her gate. Now Mrs. Shanti come out from her house. She opened the letter box. Now she is opening the letter box. She wanted to see if there was any letter in it, but there was no letter in it. Now she came out from the house to see any letter is there in the letter box, but there isn't any letter in this. But she only find a little ball of fur, and it is a kitten. Now come on page number 83. Oh, she said, what a lovely little kitten. Now she exclaimed. She is very happy that what a lovely kitten. I shall keep it as a pet in my house. Now that Mrs. Shanti decided that she will keep it as a pet in her house. When it grows up, it will keep the mice from my house. Now what she told to herself that when that little kitten will grown up, it will keep the mice away from my house, means it will eat mice from my house. Now you can see that, look, Mrs. Shanti is very happy to see the little kitten, means ball of fur. Now Mrs. Shanti took up the little ball of fur and danced back into her house. Now she is taking that little ball of fur, means kitten, into her house, and she is very happy and dancing. She was talking to the kitten. Now she is talking with kitten. Meow, meow. Now she is speaking like that, children. Come, I will give you milk. Now she is saying to the little kitten that, come, I will give you milk. Means she wants to give the milk to little kitten. Sonu turned and went home smiling. Now Sonu has satisfaction that she will take care of that little kitten very well. That's why she leave that place and going home with smiling. Do you understand, children, that story? This is a very fantastic story. Have you enjoyed? I hope you all enjoyed this story. Goodbye.